Return strong after a gap frames a career gap as a transition, not a verdict, with a clear explanation that redirects attention to current readiness. By the end, you'll know how to explain the gap, how to show readiness, and how to reset the conversation.
If there's a blank space on a resume, does that mean the person did something wrong? It sounds like everyone would stare at it like a broken toy.
You have noticed the wrong question people ask. A good employer does not begin with what went wrong, but with what changed and what can this person do now?
Oh, so the gap is more like a road stopping for a while, not a sign the person got worse. It could be because life turned, like a rainstorm making you wait under a roof.
Yes, little one. A pause is not proof that your value disappeared. Often, it is only evidence that the path rested for a reason, and then continued with new strength.
So if someone stops working for a while because they were sick, helping family, studying for exams, or moving house, does that mean their skill just vanishes? That seems unfair, like a bicycle left in the rain.
You have noticed the heart of it. A pause can be only a bridge, not a goodbye. The hands may be still, but the craft is not erased.
Oh, so the important thing is not that they were away, but that they can show it was a pause and not that they disappeared completely? Like saying, I was tending something important instead of I was gone from the road.
Yes, little one, that is the gentle truth. When the break is seen as a transition, the skill remains like a lamp under a cloth, waiting to shine again.
So if I had a gap on my paper, I shouldn't just stare at it and hope nobody notices? I guess I should explain it, but I'm scared that makes it look bigger.
You have noticed the heart of it. The employer is not reading your mind. They are reading the little clues you place before them, like stepping stones across a stream.
Oh, so if I say what happened plainly, then show what I can do now, they don't have to invent a scary story in their heads? That feels a lot better than trying to hide it.
Yes, little one. When the gap is clear, the present strength is clear, and the reason for the break is steady, there is less empty space for doubt to grow, and so the picture becomes easier to trust.
So if someone was away for a while, people might think they're less valuable? That feels unfair, like a book with one torn page being called bad?
You have noticed the mistake in the thinking. A gap is only a missing stretch on the road. If you can say where you went, why you paused, and what you learned, the road makes sense again.
Oh, so it's not the pause itself that matters most? It's whether the story fits together? Like when I explain why I was late and I tell it straight instead of hiding behind a silly excuse?
Yes, child. Honesty and small, clear details let trust return, because they show the gap is part of your journey, not the verdict on your worth. And so the missing piece becomes a chapter, not a sentence.
So if the big problem is already gone, why do we still need to say anything at all? I think a long explanation would prove we're serious.
But a long defense often sounds like a person trying to hold up a wall that is already standing. A strong explanation is like opening a window, brief, clear, and it points toward what comes next.
Oh, so we're not supposed to keep arguing about the old hole in the fence? We just say what happened, plain and true, and then let the person walk forward?
Yes, child. Give a clean account with the facts and the next step, and the interviewer can breathe and continue. That calm honesty is often what matters most.
Master, if I keep talking and talking, won't people understand better? I thought more words would make the mistake look smaller.
Sometimes too many words do the opposite, like pouring water into a crack until it seems like a river. And if you say nothing at all, the silence lets worry grow.
Oh, so I should just tell the real reason, plain and simple, and not try to hide it or dress it up?
Yes, name it honestly. Then turn your face toward the road ahead, what you have already done, what you can do now, and the role you are ready to take. That way, the gap stays small, and trust has somewhere gentle to land.
So employers don't really want me to be perfect forever? I thought I had to prove my whole past was spotless.
Ah, you have noticed something important. They are not searching for a polished museum piece. They are
So employers don't really want me to be perfect forever? I thought I had to prove my whole past was spotless.
Ah, you have noticed something important. They are not searching for a polished museum piece. They are listening for a steady hand they can trust today.
Oh, so if I explain things clearly, it stops feeling all blurry and scary. Then they can think, can this person do the work well with us?
Yes, just so. When confusion grows small, the true questions come forward. Readiness, performance, and fit. And that is where your attention belongs, like placing a lantern where the path begins.
Before you apply, do you mean I should just think I'm good at some things? That feels fuzzy, like trying to pack a bag in the dark.
Ah, you have noticed the danger already. A true skill audit is like opening the bag on a table and looking carefully. What still serves you? What has grown old? And what is not there at all?
Oh, so I shouldn't just cheer myself on or panic. I should sort it out. Like,